Hello, in this video I will show you how you can enter recovery mode on OPPO A5. So you can do it by restarting your phone for the first. So hold, press two buttons in the same time, volume up button and power button, and just simply restart your phone. From now you have to hold two buttons in the same time, volume down button and power button. So it's not volume up button now, but the volume down button. And you have to hold it for a couple of seconds. And now when OPPO logo appears, maybe I'm not covering this with hand, but in the bottom left corner we can see recovery mode. So as you can see, I am in the recovery mode right now, and you can select language over here, and now you can select format the data, reboot your device, or power off. But this is how you can get into recovery mode. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.